Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told the class president chose 2 students at random from each of the junior and senior classes at her high school. Each student was asked how many hours of homework he or she completed in an average school night, and the results are shown in the table below. There are a total of 600 students in the junior class and 400 in the senior class, and we're asked what is the median number of hours in an average night for all the students surveyed. So we have 200 students from the junior class and 200 students from the senior class, so that means that there's 400 students in total. And the way you would traditionally find the median is you'd line all of them up in increasing order, and then the middle value in that list. So for a list of 400 students, the median value would be the 200th number and the 201st number, and then you take the average between them, right? So you'd have 199th, 198th, and so on. And we would do the method where you come in, you cross off names all the way in, and eventually you land on these two. So we have to find the average between the 200th and the 201st number in this list. However, there's 400 numbers. We're not going to list them all out. So we have to say is, okay, the first 55 are going to be ones, right? Because we have 25 plus 30, that's 55. So that the first 55 are going to be ones. Next, we have 80 plus 70 is 150. Twos. So between 1 and 2, we have 205. So what that means is if we have 204th, 205th, 206th, make sure you can see that. If this is just the section of the list, then after 205, we would run out of 2s. So the 206 is a 3. But everything before that is a 2. All the way back down to number 55, in which case you'd have a 1 way down there. But if we know what our 200th is, and we know what the 201st is, so when you have 2 numbers, right, if this was an odd number of people, then we just land on a singular value, but since it's even, we have 2, you just take the average. And since they're the same number, their average is just themselves, so 2, and then the median number of hours of homework in an average night for all the students surveyed is 2. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.